let's talk about something that's almost definitely in your kitchen cabinet right now. Vegetable oil. It's a staple, right? A basic. But behind that simple bottle is a hidden story. One about massive industrial processes, environmental damage, and a pretty unfair economic setup. So let's get into it. It seems like a pretty straightforward question, doesn't it? Oil comes from seeds, you cook with it, and that's the end of the story. But the journey from that tiny seed to the bottle on your shelf is way more complex and, frankly, a bit more concerning than you'd probably guess. So here's how we're going to break it down. First, we'll pull back the curtain on the hidden industrial process behind most vegetable oils. Then, we'll look at why that whole system is under so much strain. After that, we'll explore a much cleaner, fairer model. And finally, we'll see how that better future isn't just a dream. It's ready to scale. Okay, so let's start at the beginning with the process itself. How on earth does the industry get oil out of millions upon millions of seeds? Well, the answer isn't quite as natural as you might think. This number, this is really the key to the whole story. Over 98%, you heard that right, of the world's vegetable oils are made using chemical extraction. This isn't some niche method for a few brands. It is the overwhelming global standard. It means a process that really prioritizes sheer quantity over quality is still defining a massive part of our food system today. So what does chemical extraction actually involve? Well, first, the seeds are crushed into flakes. Then, those flakes are literally washed with a chemical solvent to dissolve out the oil. That solvent then has to be separated, which leaves behind a crude oil that still needs to be refined with harsh chemicals, like caustic soda, just to make it edible. And what is this solvent they're using? It's called hexane. And the key thing to know about hexane is that it's a toxic substance that comes directly from petroleum. Yeah, it's an